is the coefficient of friction tester considered important? Friction is the smoothness between two materials. If the friction is less than required, there are huge chances of slippage and thus breaking of materials. If the friction is high, the movement between two materials is restricted. In the case of uneven friction, there are chances of printing mistakes. Therefore, it becomes vital to attain precise friction levels to avoid slippage, movement restriction, printing errors. To curb all these issues, a coefficient of friction tester is introduced. The instrument evaluates the friction standards of plastic films and sheets by three different testing methodologies: sample to sample, sample to metal, sample to glass. Testing films and plastic sheets against all materials to avoid friction issues. Get both dynamic and static friction levels of a sample with precision as indicated on the digital display. Manufacturers and clients have loved this instrument and have shared their positive feedback on all social media platforms. The wait is over for precise friction testing. Let us serve you the precision you deserve with the coefficient of friction tester. For more information, subscribe to our channel or visit our website.